So one of the questions I get quite often is you'd be working along and suddenly your screen turns into this. Now that can be a bit confusing. This is just called multiple pane layout. You can select anything on any of the panes and you can resize panes, and it's a very useful layout if that is what you want, but if it's not what you want, you most likely accidentally invoke this. So how to put this right in the short term is either you can click here, multiple view panes, that'll toggle between them. Incidentally, whichever pane is selected, you can see it's selected by this blue line around it. Whichever pane is selected is the one that will remain when you click out of it. So before you click out of it, go to your top plan view and click out of it. But the way to avoid this happening is the default shortcut for the multiple view pane is M. So if you want to move something, you go Command M, select something, go Command M, it'll ask you move by how much, and you can say move that by 300 millimeters, and it'll move it for you in every view, as you can see. But if you only use the M key, it toggles between those, the M without the command or the control key. So to avoid this from happening, what we need to do is we need to go to Tools, Workspaces, and say edit the current workspace. Now what we want to do is we want to change the shortcut key for the multiple viewports. So you click on keys up here, you find multiple view panes here, and you simply delete that and you say OK. It'll say that's fine. I'll be saving this to your own space as opposed to the default space. That is absolutely fine. Say OK, and now when you hit the M key, nothing happens. Command M will still work because you've not made any change to that. So if you want multiple view panes, then you can click here and you still have exactly the same control. We can move things around in all the views. I can select a chair and I can move it around and everything will update. And when I'm done, I click in the top layer, I click that, and that's it. And if ever you feel you have to put that back, you go to Tools, Workspaces, Edit Current Workspace, select Keys, and just put an M in there. You can also, same story again, it's just saving your workspace. You can choose not to show this dialog. I find it quite useful because if you ever want to know where exactly that is saved, it shows you the path here. So I'd rather just click OK.